Hey, it's Software Student here, and today's probably just going to be a quick video where I'm going to be discussing how we can remove stuff from our table, aka deleting stuff. So last time in pgadmin with PostgreSQL and all the SQL stuff, we did some selects where we get some data from our table, or we add, and then can actually see it in our data output. So what we can do to delete is just simply go delete from, and then a table, in this case user table. And here it's quite important you don't just go delete from user table, because you then just delete all information inside the table, which can be kind of catastrophic if you're working in a large database where you remove, like for example in this case, all the user data. So be very careful when deleting anything or when dropping. We can also say drop. Then it's so right now we're deleting from inside the table, but if you want to delete a table itself, you would go drop table. But now we're just deleting to delete from table, and then like last time when we are selecting something specific, we're deleting something specific where user ID equals 1, for example. So now we run this and we deleted something, in this case where the user ID equals 1, and when we then select our table, as you can see we have user IDs 2, 3, and 4. And let's just for fun also delete 4. And again, delete. Select all from, and just to showcase, if we just went delete from user table, which you should be careful doing, then we just delete. In this case, we only have 2 people left. But when we now call the table, it's empty. So that's the way to delete the table. We'll delete all the information in the table. So if you want to delete the table itself, we will go drop table. And in this case, we would drop the user table. But again, be very careful when dropping a table, because we would, now it's empty in this case, but normally we would remove all the information from our table. And now if we wanted to see it, we would be told we get an error, in this case, because the table does not exist. And if I refresh my database over here, as you can see, the tables are empty as well. So that was a basic walkthrough of how we delete information from inside our table and delete the table itself. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.